guys, welcome back to another video. As you guys can see behind me, there is a crap ton of boxes back there, and that is because for today's video I'm going to be filming my very first unboxing video. So I do want to put a little disclaimer out there, you guys. I'm not on 100 million brands PR list. Most of the things that you guys see come from my own pockets because I truly believe that this right here is an investment, and I want to make sure that not only am I staying on trend, but I'm always trying new things for you guys so you don't have to go out there and spend your money. And also, I mean, let's just be real for a second. I am honestly makeup obsessed, as you guys already know. So I have so much new stuff behind me to show you guys. I'm really excited to get into it. None of this stuff is like Sephora stuff or Ulta stuff. You guys know I do my Ulta hauls and Sephora hauls separately. These are things that I picked up specifically from certain brands. So there's a lot of stuff back there. Let's get into today's video. Before we jump in, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel in case you guys have not already. And of course, without further ado, if you guys would like to see what the heck is in these boxes back there, then just keep on watching. You guys, so let's jump straight in. But before we jump in, can you guys tell I did my hair? You can't tell that much because of course I did my hair yesterday. I got it done yesterday, and then like it's up in like a half ponytail today. But I knew I was gonna be showing you guys things and like handling the boxes and opening them, and I was like, yeah, no, I just don't want my hair in my face. But I did get my hair done. I hope you guys can see. I'll just show you guys a little. I am obsessed, you guys. I went a little bit lighter with my hair. There's a lot of dimension in there, and when I got my hair done, I got a full highlight and a color melt. And honestly, you guys, I freaking love it. So I just wanted to show you guys my hair because I am truly obsessed. Also, my makeup is super simple today, you guys. I'm here to just show you guys all this new makeup. So I've got my handy dandy scissors right here, you guys. And to be honest, this stuff has been sitting here for a hot minute. I don't know and I don't remember what this stuff is, but this first package that I have here is from, okay, so this right here is from the brand Maura Cosmetics. I believe that's how you pronounce it. You guys know I freaking suck at trying to pronounce things, but these looked so beautiful. Okay, I purchased palettes from them before. I still haven't even used them. What's new? But I did show you guys those palettes on Instagram. But I believe there's 4 palettes in this collection. I only picked up 3, so this is what the 3 palettes look like right here. You guys, these, girl, they're beautiful. So this one right here is called Sweet Delights. So the packaging looks just like the slip cover. This is what the palette looks like right here. But girl, when you open it, okay, it's so beautiful. Let me just take this out. So this right here is actually the pastel palette in the collection. So it does have a little mirror, as you guys can see, but can you see the colors? They're so beautiful. It's such a beautiful pastel palette. I'm really excited to give this a try. Like I said, I've never used their eyeshadows before. I've purchased a few but haven't used any of the palettes, so we'll have to test that out. And then I also got this one right here. This one is called the All That Is You palette. It's more of a purple tone palette. This is what it looks like right here. Super beautiful as well, and the purple tones, they just scream to me. Like, I love purple eyeshadow. It's so beautiful, and I feel like you have a nice variety. It has your shimmer, it has your mattes, it has some satin, so you get a lot of variety in these palettes, and they're gorgeous. And then the last one here is definitely my personal favorite one. You guys will see why. This is called the Make It Sweet palette. Oh my gosh, every time I look at this palette, I'm just like, let me wipe off everything I'm wearing right now and just do a look like right now because it's so pretty. You're freaking kidding me. Are you kidding me? Look at these shades. They're so beautiful. Like, does anyone else get so excited for makeup the way I do? Because this is so nice. I just can't get over it. Really beautiful, super vibrant. You get a really nice pan size. And I believe they're pretty affordable. I think these palettes retail for about $7 to $18. Maybe. I'm going to leave everything listed down below. That way, in case you guys are interested in anything that you see in today's video, you guys already know I got you covered. Everything will be in the description box. Alright, you guys, so moving on to the next little envelope. I did purchase this as well. So this right here is from the brand Half Caked. So I got a few of their blushes and their cream bronzer, and I got this because of Juicy Jazz here on YouTube. She actually talked about these in her favorites video, and when she talked about the price, I was like, Come again? It was so beautiful. It blended so well, and I was like, oh, I need to try it. So this right here is their cream bronzer, and by the way, this brand is cruelty free. It also is vegan, and it's super cute. I love the packaging. It definitely gives me like the kimchi vibes. I feel like the packaging is very similar. So this is what the product looks like right here. This is their cream bronzer in the shade Morning View. It looks so pretty. It's the same shade that she used in her video, and I figured it'll be perfect for me. And you guys, these are $7. Yeah, $7. I believe they were $7. Super affordable, definitely under $10. So I'm honestly super excited to give it a shot. But you guys already know, I can't just try one thing from a brand. Like, if I'm going to try a brand, I need to try the brand. I also picked up 3 of their cream blushes. So these are called the Candy Paint Cheek and Lip Tints. And as you guys can see, the packaging of the blushes are different than the cream bronzer. This one right here is called Tragic Kingdom. The packaging is the same, except this one is a pink heart rather than a purple heart. Such a beautiful peachy blush. I am honestly obsessed. It looks really nice, and they don't look like too greasy. They look like they're going to be really pretty. This next shade that I got here is called Millions of Peaches, another peachy shade. This is what it looks like right here. So really pretty, really vibrant. And this last shade here that I got is called Club Paradise. This is what it looks like right here. Very pretty. Cannot wait to use this. All right, you guys, so moving on to the next box. This right here is from a brand called What's Up Beauty. This was actually sent to me by the brand, which I appreciate it more than I can ever describe. So this right here is their Desert Monsoon palette. It looks really beautiful. This is the packaging of the palette right here. You guys, I love this like ombre wording. I think it's so pretty. And the palette actually has a lot of weight to it, which is nice. It's very pretty, but it's also very compact. So I feel like it would be super easy to travel with a palette like this. And when you actually open it up, these are the shades in the palette. I'm really excited to give this a try, especially that blue shadow. This one right over here, it looks really blue on camera. When you actually look at it in person, it shifts purple. It's so cool, so incredible. And I want to definitely give this a try. I actually want to swatch it. Holy cow. You guys, what the heck? That is so beautiful. Wow. Okay, I'm going to swatch another one. I'm going to swatch this green one. And I'm barely like putting my finger in there. Oh my god. What? Wow. You guys know I have a lot of shadows in my collection, but that is impressive. So we are definitely going to have to use that in a video, of course. So they did send this over. So thank you so much to What's Up Beauty. I think there's also something else in here. Let's see. Oh my gosh, how cool, you guys. They also sent over some nail polishes, which is like perfect timing. You guys know I used to be, well, I am obsessed, okay? I'm not going to say I used to be. I am obsessed with acrylics, but you guys, acrylic is so bad for your nails. Like, my nails were so brittle, so thin, and now that I've been just doing like gel manicures at home, they've been phenomenal. Like, my nails are back to normal health. They're nice and strong. So they also sent over some of their polishes, and it looks like this is an entire collection. So the polishes come in a box like this, which is super cute. And this shade right here is called Sun. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. They kind of like correspond to the eyeshadows that I was just showing you guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh, there's more stuff in here, you guys. They also sent over some brushes. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's like full on eyeshadow brushes. Alright, let's open these up. You guys, look at how fancy these brushes are. Like, it has like a little thing that you pull. What? Are you kidding me? Look at this brush. I love brushes like this that are fluffy yet tapered at the end. So like you can actually pack on your color but also blend it. Okay, so these are actually handmade in Japan from white goat hairs. Very interesting, you guys. Feels really sturdy. They look really beautiful, and I mean, they're like extra luxe. Like, it comes in a foam packaging like this, so it really does secure the brush. Very cool. So I have a ton of these. I'm not going to go through all the brushes that they sent over just because we'll be here forever. And I'm looking at the time already, and I've been filming already for 14 minutes. So we're going to continue on to the next product. But I'll be sure to definitely use these brushes in a video, of course, so that way we can see exactly how good they actually are. You guys, so the next box that I have is this right here. This is from BEBELLA Cosmetics. I am also on BEBELLA's PR list. So when you open up the box, this is what it looks. Ooh, of course I would drop it. So as soon as I went ahead and opened up the box, this is the first thing that I see. So it says BEBELLA Boarding Pass. pretty cool. So it looks like they created a ton of new brush sets. They all look really beautiful, and I feel like you can never have too many makeup brushes. So they sent me over one of them, which is this one right here. They sent me the Faves brush set. It says that this is a 12-piece brush set. So let's go ahead and open it up. Really beautiful. I love the teal color. It's very pretty, and it also comes with a little case like this, which is really cool because it can secure your brushes for you, and this is like perfect for travel. And then I'll sit here for 30 minutes struggling to open this. Seriously? Oh my gosh. Okay, I think we got it. Oh my gosh, that was a mission. So this is what the brush set looks like right here. So the handle is also like that really nice light blue shade, and it's really cute. Like I said, there's a ton of brushes in here. So you have face brushes, you have some eye brushes, and the brushes look really nice. They do have like that really strong brush set though, so I do recommend opening this up and letting them air out for a few days, or even actually just washing the brushes and letting them air dry, because it does have like that really strong scent. But they're really beautiful. I can't wait to use these. Thank you so much to BEBELLA Cosmetics. I really appreciate you guys sending this over. Alright, you guys, so let's move on to the next box. I'm so excited for this. You guys, this eyeshadow palette is the first eyeshadow palette that I'm ever trying from this brand. I had never heard of the brand before until I seen it on my Explore page on Instagram, and when I saw this palette, I was like, I need that like right now. So it ended up launching, and I completely forgot about the launch that day. I was at work and I was like, oh my gosh, it's gonna be sold out, and of course it was. But they did restock the palette and I got my hands on it. So this right here is from the brand Give Me Glow Cosmetics. So it's wrapped up really nicely, really cute. They even have like their own sticker over here on the side. And let's open her up, because sis, I'm excited. Wow, I was not expecting this palette to be as big as it is. It looks actually small when you see it online. But this right here is the Give Me Glow Cosmetics Pastel Dreams palette. You guys, tell me that this is not the prettiest packaging ever. It's so nice. I'm honestly at a loss for words. It's really pretty. So this right here is a vegan and cruelty-free brand, in case you guys are somebody who likes to use specifically clean brands. This is a clean brand. So the cover of the palette itself looks just like the Unicarton. Very beautiful, and the pans are huge. Is this not so beautiful? Like, wow. Even the camera, because the lights are so bright, it's washing it out just a little bit. But oh my goodness, very pretty. And this is very different from anything that I have in my collection. I don't have anything like it. And you guys, the mirror is massive. This is so beautiful. Wow, very pretty. I'm very excited for this, and I'm so happy that I got my hands on it. I'm gonna, like I said, link everything down below in case you guys want to pick any of this stuff up. Alright, you guys, so moving on to the next package. This right here is from Beauty Creations, and this I did get with my own money. Just so you guys know, I will, you know, obviously disclaim what I got in PR and what I did not. If I can open this. So this right here is their new eyeshadow palette. I remember getting this. This is what the box looks like when you actually open it up. And I'm excited because this looks really beautiful online as well. This is called the Island Girl eyeshadow palette. So here's what the cover of the palette looks like right here. Definitely gives you that tropical-esque vibe. Very pretty. It does have a slip cover, and when you open it up, the actual palette itself, the packaging is exactly the same. And wow, so pretty. You guys, oh my goodness. So this palette does not have a mirror, but that's okay. That doesn't bother me at all, because quite frankly, I never use the mirror inside an eyeshadow palette anyway. But this is what it looks like. You guys, how beautiful. Beauty Creations is a super affordable brand if you're not familiar. And I believe this palette was pretty affordable. I'm not going to tell you the exact price because I don't know off the top of my head. But I highly recommend that you guys check it out. Look at how pretty it is. This is definitely a palette that you can get a ton of looks out of. I don't know what the formula is like. Obviously, I'm just unboxing it for you guys, so we'll have to give it a try. But if you guys want to see a makeup tutorial featuring this palette, let me know down below so I can get that out for you guys, because, wow. it's really pretty. So I did pick up this. Alright you guys, so this video is already pretty long and I still have so much more stuff to show you guys. I still have these big boxes back here. So what I'm going to do is actually break this video up into 2 parts. So I'm going to leave you guys here. Part 2 of this video will be up very, very soon. I'll probably just throw out a quick bonus video for you guys. That way you guys can see the rest of the stuff that I got. I really hope you guys enjoyed part 1 of this unboxing video. Make sure that you guys don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on part 2. And of course, as always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!